Shakey's V-League rolls along dito po sa GMA News TV. Sef Sarmenta, Mosi Robena, and Bianca Saldua ang inyong tag team para sa larong ito. 16-8 ang bilang natin. First two sets nakuha ng koponan ng Cagayan. Nakapasok na rin si Chisayet. Nabutan kasi ng curfew.
Kala ko yung nabutan ng ulan eh. Yung pala ng second technical timeout natin. But ito, Chisayet now setting for Coach Nes Pamilar. On the other side, itong FEU naman talagang namang hinahanap pa rin na kung paano ba nilang sasagutin yung problema nila sa first ball.
Eulalio also played for FEU. This one looks in. Yes, it is. Sabi ko na ba, sasalok eh.
Oh, yet si Palma took the long route but still getting the space. Itong matagal nating hindi nakita pinasok, at least in this game,
hindi,
na
first time niya.
Pinasok ni Coach Shaq. Na madalas nakikita mo naman siya eh, na in and out.
Starting lineup pa yan eh.
Si, tawag dito, ate very tall girl.
Si Kasugod.
Kasugod.
Genevieve Kasugod. Oop. Free ball tuloy nangyari. Saet sa gitna. Hinulugan ng Tipachot. Ay, mintis. Malamig eh.
Oh.
Malamig eh.
At wala talaga sa posisyon for the tip. Well, so far, si Simborio ang may 6 points along with Palma dito sa FEU. Malabanan with 5. Sa kabila, Maizo. At si Tabakero, tig 10 points na yan. At Tipachot with 13.
Hinulugan sa harap ng Chisayet. 10-18 ang bilang natin. Bagang will be serving para sa koponan ng Far Eastern University. The premier educational institutions ng bayan natin, lalo na accounting, medicine. Joy Benito of San Sebastian. Tagal din kay Roger, no? Uy! Hello, miss!
May lakad. Subok lang.
Hindi ko makakalain makita talagang walang forma eh. Oh.
Hinampas eh.
Alam niya yun. 18-11. Tipachot, Jonella. Yes, yung pick-up ni Jonella parang set, ano?
Benito, cross-court. Perfect spot.
Alam mo, Mosi, sa tagal natin kinocover itong mga to, sa tagal nilang magkakalaban, kung minsan magkakampi, ay magkakakilala na talaga yan, di ba?
Ay, oo. At yung iba dyan magugulat ka, really close friends, ha? Yung minsan napapanood ako, nakikita ko yung magkakasama, nagugulat ako, magkakaibigan pa yan. Nakakatuwa.
And akalain mong hindi talaga magkaibigan. I'm sure there are some...
Kasi I say that because sometimes, makikita mo to, magkakaibang eskwela.
Actually.
Tapos grupo pala.
Not necessarily lahat galing U-Belt, ano ha? Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Hello. Chisayet. Pinalo ka na, Joy.
Pina-exercise ng todo-todo ng Cagayan si Chisayet. Pinatakbo sa kabilang dulo for that second ball. And ito naman na nakuha nila. A point for Cagayan Valley Rising Sun.
And it's just a matter of time. Let's just mention that Cagayan also brought in Alain Puilong. Alam mo, marami pa rin hindi nakakalaro, ha? Halimbawa si Sheila Pineda, kasi the volleyball tournament yata of the UA.
Beach volleyball, yes. It's ongoing.
The beach volleyball tournament.
Yes.
Talk to Bea Tano Batineo about that. And it is in progress. I think si teams up with Eliza Valdez sa team ng Lady Eagles.
So magaganda na naman ang kulay ng ating mga beach volleyball players.
Si Pau ba nagbe-beach? Ito, regular nagpa-beach volleyball.
Yung matagal na representative ng Adamson, si Pau Soriano sa beach volleyball.
Pag magandang rising sun sa kanya, alam natin kung saan galing si Pau. Nice shot. Alam mo si Basas, confidence na ang kulang nito, ha?
That's right. Kaya nga kanina pa sinasabi ni Coach Shaq, lalo na pag mga ganyan nandyan si Tony Basas sa harap, ang kailangan niya is a very good first ball.
Looks different, but you know, she's like a very young Rachel Andakis, ha?
Pwede.
Wala pa yung gallop, wala pa yung flair, yung swagger, which comes with time. You get better. Benito.
Si Rachel, alam naman natin, swag kung swag.
Oo.
Once again, smartly, another off-speed gets Another point to si Tony Basas.
21-14 ang bilang natin. And Kasugod, this is Genevieve Kasugod, who will be serving at 21-14, 14-21 that is. Side checking the defensive line. Set that up. Basas going through the block. Something to go home with. Look at the way this goes. Nilusot sa block eh. Bang!
Yan, ang gusto makita nila Ang gusto lang naman siguro ni Coach Shaq, partner, makitang lumalaban tong mga girls. Alam naman niya nasa taas ng standing itong Cagayan at alam niya yung experience na dala-dala ng Cagayan Valley. Ang ayaw lang niya yung kanina sinasabi nga niya, nakatayo lang kayo eh. So what do you expect? Sabi niya, ini-expect ko na nga talaga, wala kayong makukuha dahil nakatayo kayong lahat.
Si Tipachot, tinignan yung bola. Walang napuntahan. Walang tao doon. Samantala, alam mo, madali lang yan eh. Alam mo, mukhang best player natin, isa sa mga tayo, no? Sana yun naman si Bianca sa beauty contest eh. Di gawin natin, question and answer portion, di ba?
Oh, and that takes long for...
Mga 1 week natin tutuksuhin ito si Bianca.
Tingnan natin, ang galing mo.
Tingnan natin. Tal naman, ikaw ang future beauty contest host eh. No? Nandun naman, papunta yan. Hello! Hinulugan kayo. Hindi gumabang ang palo ni Tipachot.
Oh, si Remy Palma. Tuwang-tuwa doon sa pangyayaring yun. And,
makauwi lang ng konting sunshine eh, di ba?
Gusto ni Coach Shaq. Huwag lang naman yung parang binigay nyo lang ng ganun-ganon. And Giselle C. Another point.
Sabi niya kay Junela. Ayan, sige. Taas mo yan. Angelique Junela. I sometimes just call her Junela because her last name was like... Diba? It's like...
Lahat naman yun ang tawag yata sa kanya, si Jack.
Diba? Her last name is almost like a first name. Diba? Pag tinatawag mo yung anak mo sa bahay, Junela!
Ito na. 3 points na lang ang lamang ng Cagayan.
Parang kung ako tatay niyan, di ba? Junela, anong oras uwi yan ng liligaw mo? Kaya ako wala anak na babae. Pasensya na ako kaya. Alam ng Diyos
kaya nga hindi ka binigyan. Kaya naman pala.
Alam ng Diyos kung gaano kasungit ako.
Napaka-premeditated. Wala pa nga eh. Sobra.
Ay, si Yenet. Wala. Eto na. Ay, nagwawala ang FPU.
Mas mukha nga magandang nilalaro pag ganyan silang nagtatawanan. Relax.
Sige. Walang
natin kung maitutuloy nila to.
Sungit naman ni...
Oo, bawal kasi umupo. Yung mga ating nag-iintay dun sa bench.
Ang ingay ng FPU. Kala mo sila lamang, palo ito.
Tsansa pa. Pero tsansa Cagayan naman. Pensa! And
Huwag na patagalin.
Oo.
You have a little more fans. Mukhang huminto na ulan sa labas.
Dumadami na. Starting to trickle in.
We have a nice second game. We've got Smart against the Air Force.
Look
at Palma. Shake it, baby. Shake it.
Loving it.
Why not? Diba? If they can play loose, alam mo, sige. Actually, dapat let go ng konti si Shaq doon sa ganun eh. Sige na. Okay na. Basta umi-score. 24, 22. Oo.
Service. Si Dawson, well read, yes. Lisette Dawis was there.
And FEU with a spirited last set. And then a lot of teasing and forcing around among the coaches. But this game draws to a close. Straight set win for Cagayan, and they remain undefeated in the tournament. Best player coming up. This is going to be interesting, Mosey. Our choice for best player. This will be a contribution to international relations, actually.
Oo, alam mo to si Bianca, marunong mag-Arabic, marunong a little bit French. Pero ito, detest natin ang galing niya.
With international relations.
With our best player, Tipa Chon.
Unfortunately, hindi ko kayang mag-Thai, pero buti na lang meron tayong interpreter dito, si Soraya Fomla, and syempre ang Shakey's player of the game, si Kanika Tipachot. Right now, we're going to ask you, Soraya, so that you can explain to her, how does it feel? The game today was just very light and you enjoyed, so what was your feeling today since you guys won?
เขาถามว่าวันนี้เล็กอ่ะแบบเหมือนเดิมรู้สึกยังไงสนุกกับเกมไหมอะไรอย่างเงี้ยenjoy สนุกแล้วก็แฮปปี้แล้วก็สบายเล่นสบาย She say today game is very easy and very enjoy she have happy
Alright, so now since you are still undefeated and you're halfway to the semifinals, undefeated, no losses just yet, right? No losses. So, do you feel more pressure or do you feel just more confident?
ประมาณว่าแบบรอบเซมิไฟนอลอะไรอย่างเงี้ยเด็กจะรู้สึกมั่นใจแล้วก็คิดว่าจะผ่านไปได้ดีอะไรแบบเนี้ย She thinks she very strong and she have and semi final she champion
Okay, so confident that your guys are going to be champions and you're very happy with all of the things that are going on and she feels stronger. All right, so thank you so much. How do you say thank you in Thai?
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Kabun ka. All right, we have of course our Shakey's Pizza right here, the Shakey's player of the game. We have Kanika Tipachot and of course her interpreter Soraya Fomla. Back to you, Sam and Mosey. Woo!
At the end of the day, it's a woman's world, di ba?
And at the end of the day, it's still the pizza
That matters.
Important.
And
Yeah.
Cagayan is undefeated in 5 games.
Correct. And safely, we could say na talagang pupunta na sila dun sa susunod na round.
Okay, Mosey, we'll keep it at that. Until the next time, this is the Shakey's feeling where we're always spicy, hot, and red hot as far as volleyball is concerned. Sa keep Freya! Oh, Guliman.
Oh, perfect combination right there.
Reverse set, ganda.
Running
Pamil
ulit.
there.
Oh, this is how you do it, sabi ni Ruby. Ay, ang ganda
Patay.
nun.
Patay
I
dito.
knew it.
Cases. Ay, huli si Joy. Kombinasyon. She'll go to Guliman.